post all about ya Dubai. Baska mongola screen se solo sa tlapo. Nkampa ka tlohella, guys. If you wanna go and show off, make sure that you do. When now it's a show off ka dintho tsa o swipe wa ka dikarata. Wa tseba tlapo mo, you don't want to take that risk tsa dikarata tseo tsa di fraud. Just leave the Dubai trip. If you're gonna be at the club and drink your Don Julio, your mates are there. They are writing their names on the big screen there in Dubai. Your mates. Tlohella. Ntho tswana lwana na ja di conflicts Dubai. Tlohella. Wait for your budget to be like. Then you do it. Exactly, and she looked like a joke sitting there and no one announced her. Exactly. Tlohella. Melissa, I love you too. You go to Dubai, you go to the club, they don't announce you. Tlohella, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. You post someone, oh, my friend loving, happy birthday, while you know you have showed me a video. You, Miss Jeto, you've showed me a video making up, having sex with this girl's ex. You know, God knows my kisesa mudimu, kantate mudimu. You've shown me that video. For me to do what, I don't know. Maybe because you know Kililemi, for me to spread it. But you are laughing with that girl. Oh, I love you, sister. You are Pretoria, bitch. You are wicked. You are dangerous to yourself and to the society. How do you do that to your own friend? Then you show me, you know I'm a blog. You know Kililemi. You come and show me a video without me asking you. You know I know the guy. I went to the guy. The guy gave me money to keep my mouth shut. And I did keep my mouth shut. And I cannot even mention, because if I mention, South Africa will shake now. South Africa will shake now. South Africa will shake now. South Africa will shake now if I have to talk. South Africa will shake. But Miss Jeto, you're not a good friend. You are not a good friend. You are not a good friend at all. It's just that I cannot mention that gogo that you posted. The boshed gogo with the boshed face. I can't. Also, we hear that the boshed gogo.
At this point, why Abu Thebogo will tell in Indabazab? I really don't know and I really don't understand. Because now we are shrikelelimi. We are shrikelelimi. Yeah, understand? I really don't know why will you tell Thebogo in Indabazab. Oh, you want to. Thebogo, I don't know why Thebogo will tell in Indabazab. Or she really wanted to trend. Because we are, at some point, she knew very well what she was doing. She knew very well what she was doing. About the trend as hi man, I was really cool. You were just trending just now. Up until today, my Vulu court is about trend. Well, but no, usese busy. I know you are doing this for a living, or this is the lifestyle that you chose for yourself, which is there's nothing wrong. Ne? This is the lifestyle you chose for yourself, and this is the lifestyle you enjoy. But you can mind why you end up, you want a trend, and then when you trend now, masa kipika malalo mutu, because apparently this person is a married man or someone who's in a very serious relationship, and the wife or the girlfriend. Then maso trend, and then maso vula the case racket matlala. You will be saying people are insensitive when people they are saying we are tired and people of dating married men. Then maso chill like abantu mele bakufile the pain. You understand? Kuzobe ngathi abantu they are not taking GPV very serious. Abantu they are very insensitive. And you do not want that for yourself, my sister. You do not want that for your kids. I really don't know why ufonele, if you really did, I really don't know why would you show, izindaba zakho. Because you know ukuthi lo muntu lo uzotrenda imini nobusuku. Uzotrenda the whole week naleyo ndoda yakho leyo abakubone nayo, naleyo ndoda yakhe engasabi kuyogijinyiswa njengoba une-ex very dangerous. You understand? Man, I don't know. When it comes to Dineo, I just feel like, need to just give Dineo a break, to be honest. Every day we are talking about Lucis, everything. Yes, I did see the video, she's down. But on the video, guys, or on pictures, you are not having the time of your life. Can't you were having the time of your life? It's just that the video, if there's some you're busy your phone or they don't understand ukuthi uDineo sekamdala nyana. And like anye kujayive ufike eklabhini uzophuma, no, that is highly impossible. No. But you told ukuthi the baby girl, she was enjoying her life in Dubai, there was nothing wrong, she paid the trip, and bangafuni mhlambe vele ukuvela on the screen. Or she didn't see the need ukuthi vele on the screen. Remember, this person umama, ezinye izinto mhlambe they are not just necessary kuye ukuthi ungaze uvele on the screen. We don't know, but so you can comment down below your opinion, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.